Hello everyone, I'm Shambhavi Maurya, fourth year student of Faculty of Engineering and Technology, University of Lucknow, Department of Civil Engineering. My presentation is on Water Quality Index of Tungabhadra River near Harihar, Karnataka. These are the topics which we are going to discuss: introduction of it, then what is Water Quality Index, how it is important, then methodology, then about the river and few case studies and its result. As we know, water is a fundamental and crucial source for the sustenance of mankind. The flowing water in form of streams and rivers is the second largest source of fresh water on the earth. It plays indispensable role in supporting life, human activities such as industrial discharge, agriculture runoff, domestic use, etc., and getting abused and exploited day by day. Pollutants, when discharged into a river system, change their physical, chemical, and biological characteristics, depleting the dissolved oxygen, that is DO, and augmenting the organics like carbon, nitrogen, etc. As stewards of this vital resource, it is imperative for us to adopt sustainable practices and conservation measures to safeguard water for present and future generation. In order to maintain the water quality, it is important to know the levels and characteristics of the pollutant a river can assimilate without impacting its self purification capacity. WQI, that is Water Quality Index, is an important tool to assess water quality in different rivers in India. It is a measure of water's physical, chemical, and biological characteristics that determine its suitability for various uses such as drinking, irrigation, and industrial purposes. It is calculated on the basis of various parameters such as pH, DO, BOD, etc. In the present study, the water quality parameters are studied from the point of view of suitability of river water for human consumption. The table here shows the quality of water. If BOD level is from 1 to 2, water quality is very good. That means there will be no organic waste present in the water. If it ranges from 3 to 5, it means water is moderately clean. Then from 6 to 9, water consists of organic matter and bacteria are decomposing this waste. BOD level is 100 or more than 100, then water quality is very poor and very polluted. Hence the question rises that why WQI is important or importance of WQI. So it is important to enhance the health of ecosystem and human population that rely on them, to turn complex water quality data into information that is understandable and usable by public. Water Quality Index provides a standardized method for assessing water quality and identifying potential risks to human and environmental health. Moving forward, let's discuss methodology. First, collecting water samples from different locations in the river and analyzing them for various parameters such as pH, DO, BOD, total coliform count, and facial coliform count. Then the values obtained for each parameter are then compared to the standard values set by the Central Pollution Control Board of India. Based on the values obtained, each parameter is assigned a weightage factor. The weightage factors are then multiplied with the respective parameter values, and the sum is divided by the sum of the weightage factors to obtain the WQI for that particular location. Then the water quality index ranges from 0 to 100, where 0 represents the poorest water quality and 100 represents the best water quality. The Tungabhadra River is a major river in the southern part of India and is a major source of water for drinking, irrigation, and industrial purposes. It is an important tributary of Krishna River. It has a drainage area of 71,417 km square, out of which 57,671 km square lies in the state. It covers a distance of 293 km in the state and is getting polluted due to rapid industrial growth, domestic and agricultural activities of the region. The Tungabhadra River is formed due to the confluence of two rivers Tunga and Bhadra. The water quality of the river has been a major concern due to the discharge of untreated industrial effluents and domestic sewage into the river. Here is a case study in which composite sampling was done at regular monthly intervals for a period of 5 years, December 2018 to November 2020, for all three stations. Field observations were made and recorded. Temperature, pH, DO, and conductivity was measured in the field for other parameters. Water samples were transported to the laboratory. As per IS 3025/1989, the sampling was done. Analysis is carried out as per APHA 1995. APHA stands for American Public Health Association, that is a standard method for the examination of water and wastewater. In this case study, 3 points were marked as the sampling stations as S1, S2, and S3. S1 was taken upstream where Tungabhadra river enters into Harihar city. S2 was marked as main stream of river Tungabhadra in place just near the confluence point of Sulekere stream. Confluence point is where two or more water courses join to form a single channel. S3 was marked downstream of Harihar Polyfiber Industry Influent Discharge near Harihar. This is the BIS standard table. The data of this investigation revealed that the water quality parameters are well within the limits prescribed by WHO, which indicate the suitability of water for domestic purposes. This is the table showing seasonal variations. Station 1, Station 2, Station 3 in three different seasons: summer, winter, rainy. The pH is given as you can see in summer. Station 1 has recorded 7.14 pH, Station 2 has recorded 8.05, and Station 3 8.19. And in rainy season, we can see it is increasing because pH is more in rainy season due to more runoff into the river, which brings more pollutants. Then same goes with total dissolved solids. Then it is dissolved oxygen, BOD, hardness, calcium. Then it is water quality index. From the seasonal investigation, it is revealed that at station S1, the water quality index ranged from 54.88 to 65.50. In station 2, it varied between 70.68 and 70.75, and station 3 is varied between 64.96 and 110.43 in different seasons of the year. During the study, it is observed that the water quality at station S3 is comparatively more distributed than at station S1. This may be due to the release of domestic sewage, waste from bankside factories, and surface runoff into the river system. Further, the seasonal values of WQI indicate that during rainy season, river water is more affected than winter and summer. This may be due to more runoff into the river, which brings more pollutants. The results reveal that the river water is to be periodically evaluated, thereby adapting the proper management practices with a view to protect the riverine ecosystem. However, the water quality index only provides information about the pollution load. It does not deal with water quality management. Here are some recommendations to improve the water quality of Tungabhadra River. Effluent treatment plants, sewage treatment plants, and solid waste management systems need to be installed. Also, awareness campaigns should be conducted to educate the public about the importance of preserving the river and its ecosystem. Thank you.